Hello children, good to see you all again, and I hope you all are fine and studying also. This is your virtual class, and today I will be teaching you English, how to write English alphabets within the 4 lines of your copy. We have already learned the alphabets from A. Yes, children, I have already I taught you the alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, and we have learned till alphabet. F. Yes. So now after F, which alphabet comes? Yes, after F comes G. So today I will teach you how to write alphabet G and H in the within the lines of your copy. You can see here I have already drawn the lines. So I hope you all are ready with your copies, children. Yes. So we'll start writing. Okay. So today is the date. Today is 13th of July. We'll write here 13. So this is 13th of July. 7th is July month. Yes, and 21. This is C W. Okay. So now we have written A, B, C, D. We have learned, and E and F. How to write within the 4 lines of your copy. So now next alphabet is after F comes G. So you can see we'll start from the first line. These are the 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Red line, 2 blue lines, and again a red line. So we'll write within first 3 lines. Okay. So we'll start from the first line. You have already learned the stroke, children. I have already taught you the strokes. Yes, we'll use those strokes to write the alphabets. Okay. So we'll write semicircle. Okay, we have learned how to write semicircle within the line. Yes, and C also we write like this. You have learned to write C within the 3 lines. So you'll make a C like this. Then from here till 3rd line you'll make, okay, semicircle. Then from here you'll go up, make a standing line like this. Then on till 2nd line you will go, okay. Then on the 2nd line you'll make a small sleeping line, and then again come back to the 3rd line. This has become G. G for grapes. G for grapes, or G for glass. I'll make a figure or picture of a glass over here. This is a glass in which you drink water or your milk. Okay, this is G for glass. Once again, watch very carefully. From the first line, we'll start. Okay, so from the first line till the 3rd line, we'll make a semicircle or a C like this. Make a C. Okay, till the 3rd line. Then from this place, you will go up where the C ends. You'll go up, make a standing line. Then till the 2nd line, and then on the 2nd line you will draw a sleeping line over here, and then come back to the 3rd line, make a standing line like this. So this has become G for glass. G for glass. Just watch here. Once I start, I don't lift up my pencil. So you have to also write in the same manner. So you start from here, 1st line, 2nd line, 3rd line. Okay, make a C. Go up to the 2nd line. Okay, make a standing line like this. Then on the 2nd line, make a small sleeping line. Then again, once again, come back, making a standing line. Come back to the 3rd line and stop. Okay, once again, watch. Make a C like this or the semicircle till the 3rd line, and go up, back to the 2nd line, make a sleeping line, and then again come back to the 3rd line, making a standing line. This has become G for glass. This is G for glass. Now after G comes H. Yes, H for horse, H for hut. Okay, so or H for hat. So here we'll draw a hut. H for, this is a hut. Okay, this is a hut. Now we are going to write H. It's very simple. In this H we use only the standing line and the sleeping line. Okay. So once again we start from the first line till the third line. You will draw a standing line like this. Okay. Then again you will draw a standing line like this from the first line till the second line. Okay. You are going to draw two standing line like this. Then on this second line you will draw a sleeping line like this, and you are going to join these two standing lines, okay, at the center. So this has become what? Which alphabet? This has become alphabet H. H for hut. Once again watch children, okay. Again from the first line till the third line draw a standing line like this. Once again another standing line, parallel line to it, okay. And then on the second line you will draw a sleeping line and join these two standing lines. So it has become alphabet H. Very simple it is. We are using only the standing line and the sleeping line. The strokes which I have already taught you. Okay, once again. Standing line and sleeping line. Once again. Standing line and sleeping line on the second line. This way we will do the work. Okay children, so I hope you all must have understood, and you are going to do this work very neatly as ma'am has done. Look here. Can you look? Okay, so this way you are going to do this work. Then after that, after writing G and H, we have already learned E, F, G, H today I have taught you. Now you will turn the page. So you can turn the page children. Now on the next page we are going to write all these four alphabets which I have taught you, E, F, G, H, in your copy. So I'll show it again. Okay, I'll quickly rub this. In the meantime you can turn the page and be ready for it. So you have turned the page children. So now again we will do this work. This will be your homework. Okay. So we are going to write all the four alphabets which I have taught you. Okay. E, F, G and H. Today is 13.7.21. So this is alphabet E. In this also we use standing line and sleeping line. So from the first line till the third line you will draw this standing line, then sleeping line on the first line, sleeping line on the second line, and sleeping line on the third line. Once again, watch. This is E. E for envelope, E for elephant. Okay, this is alphabet E. You have to write on the lines like this. Okay, make the sleeping line like this. Okay, after E comes F, standing line, and if in F there are only two sleeping lines. Okay, remember that. If you will use one more sleeping line, it will become which alphabet? It will become E. So in F we use only two sleeping line like this. Okay, standing line and two sleeping lines. Standing line and two sleeping line. Okay, this is F. After F, I have just now taught you G and H. So how do you write G? Make a semicircle, then standing line, go up, sleeping line, and then come down. Standing line. Okay, so this has become G. This is which alphabet? This is alphabet G. Okay, this is the way you are going to write. You see, I am writing without lifting up my pencil or my hand. Okay, now after G comes H. Standing line, two standing line, and a sleeping line like this. Okay. Your alphabet should be within the lines. It should not come out of the line. Okay, remember that. Very neatly you are going to do this. So children, this is E, F, G and H. This is how you are going to do this work very neatly as I have shown in my copy. Okay children, so I hope you all you all have understood. Do your work very neatly and keep practicing daily. God bless you children.